You know that feeling when your favorite brushes start to get a little stiff. It can be so frustrating, right? Well, this simple homemade solution has been a game changer for me, and I think it will be for you too. Before I share my secret cleaning potion with you, I'd be so grateful if you'd consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell. Today's shout out goes to Starbass13. Thank you for your support. Let's start. You will need 3 containers. I use 3 plastic cups. Fill halfway. Cup 1, makeup brushes solution. Cup 2, water. Cup 3, fabric softener. All my favorites products are linked down below in the description of the video for you. Step 1, fill your cup halfway with makeup brush cleansing solution. If you don't have in your house, it will be really easy to find any pharmacy, Marshall, Home Goods, or Walmart. I buy my favorite at Amazon, link below. Place the brushes in the solution and let sit for a minute or 2. Use a wire brush to open the bristles and start getting all the dry paint off. Keep cleaning the brushes that are not that dirty and hard. If they dry paint and stains don't come clean easy when you are using your metal scrub brush, they are not yet ready to go to step 2. Step 2. Water rinse the brushes completely. If you still feel some hard paint residue, go back to step 1. If they are clean and soft, you are ready for step 3, fabric softener. This step not only makes your brushes smell amazing, they will give them some life back. They will feel soft and shine again. Repeat the steps when necessary. After step 3, use the tip of your finger to remold the brush. I leave them seating in a towel. I know mine is dirty, but I cleaned probably 50 to 75 brushes today. After they are dry, I wash them again under running water and let them dry completely. They are soft, smelling amazing, and ready to use. If you found this 3-step how-to helpful, please don't forget to leave a comment below. I love hearing from you, and who knows, you might even get a shout out in our next video. And if you enjoyed this, please give it a like. It's a small gesture, but it's a free gift that truly makes my day and encourages me to keep sharing. Thank you so much for joining me today.